Hello everyone, and once again welcome to WS Cube Tech English channel. Myself Umar Tas. So guys, in previous few videos we were talking about the audience targeting, and we were discussing about how can we target audience based on the parameters of who we want to actually reach and where we want to show our ads. So we were discussing around these things, and we were learning that how can we actually create the audience, right? So in this particular video we will be exploring the second part, which was like where you want to show your ads, right? So we'll be exploring that how can we show our ads on the basis of the keywords that people are searching, or the keywords which are related to the websites or the display network where we want to basically show our ads. And we'll be talking about the different topics which are related to different websites or the apps where we can target on the basis of the topics, right? And then we will be talking about how can we actually target based on the placement. So this is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So before actually starting the video, I would like to request you that please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you receive each and every video notification. Right now, coming to the main point, as you can see on my laptop screen, whenever you will come over here in the audience creation section in the ad group level, what you will see over here is it's the content written over here, right? So now they are telling you that where you want your ads to show, right? So you have different options according to content. Now this time we are not targeting individuals, or we are not targeting the characteristics or the attributes of the humans or the persons. Right now we are targeting content. So this is kind of a thing where we are not saying that okay, we want to target people who have interest in digital marketing. No, what we are saying that okay, we want to target the website which is there with digital marketing content. We wanted to target the YouTube channel which is there with digital marketing content, right? We wanted to target an app which is there with digital marketing content. So earlier what we were doing was like, earlier we were telling Google that okay, we want to target people who are interested in digital marketing. This time what we are saying that okay, we do not want to target people, we want to target the placements, right? Or we want to target the content which is there on digital marketing, right? So this is the basic difference that you can easily identify between when we want to reach to people or when we want to reach to people through content. So our ad will be showing on the content. Here we are targeting to people, right? So this is the major difference. Now, what kind of options we have over here when we want to show our ads with regards to content? So we have content targeting, and in content targeting we have three options, right? The first one is keywords, the second one is topics, and the third one is placements. So you can see over here, as you hover on this, it tells you that choose terms related to your product or service to target relevant websites. So if you want to reach to relevant websites, what you can do is, so you can put your keywords which are basically relevant to the websites or to the content that you want to target, right? You can also look for some keyword ideas from here. You can enter a related website as we are going to do right now. Okay, let me enter a related website over here so that we can see some suggestions. Okay, so let's put the website and let me enter www dot also over here. What kind of keyword ideas we are having over here? So you can see we are having IT courses, technology course, right? Course for IT, UX courses, data science courses. There are so many things that are there, right? And now Google knows so many things about our website, so it is recommending or it is giving us some keywords which are very much relevant to this particular website. So we can select the keywords from here, we can drag and drop these keywords over here, we can paste these keywords over here, and our ad will be shown to the websites which are basically related to these kind of keywords, right? So this is the main purpose of this keyword targeting. Then we have product or service also. So if we do not want to go with this website section and we want to only enter the product or the service that we offer, like if we offer digital marketing services. Now let's enter digital marketing services over here. So as soon as we are entering digital marketing services, now we'll get another set of keyword ideas, and we have to basically figure out that whether these keyword ideas are good for us or not, and if we want to reach to the websites which are having content around these keywords, right? So this is the main purpose of this keyword stuff which is over here, right? So we can target based on the keywords, and then again we have like this, just because we are not doing audience targeting over here, we are doing content based targeting. So it is like only show ads on web pages, apps and videos related to these keywords. So we can select this thing and we can move further, right? So that's it, that's all about the keyword. Now let's come to another thing which is like topics. As soon as you come to this topic section over here, earlier we were targeting different websites, app and content based on the keywords, the relevancy between the content and the keywords. Right now we are saying that okay, we have a broad topic over here and we want to advertise on a website or on an app or any kind of a placement which is there, and the content of that particular website is based on these specific topics. So if we want to target websites which are there for digital marketing services, let's say let us put digital marketing over here, and you can easily see like email marketing is there. So now whenever you are selecting your topic as email marketing, what Google will do is Google will show your ads on the website which are having content on the topic of email marketing, right? So this is what this actually means. It's very simple, right? So we have different options over here that we can work on. As we have just seen that we have keyword option, then we have topic option. Now coming to the placement option, this is again a very interesting option, very interesting option. So here what you can do is basically, as an advertiser, this gives you the maximum scope, right? Now you can target websites, individual websites. If you have name of some website, if you have addresses of some website, if you know about some website, what you can do is basically select the website from here, and then you can target on those websites. So now you can narrow down at this level that okay, if I want to reach to any specific video, any specific channel, any specific app, any specific website, we have this option of showing our ads to, I mean, to this particular narrowed audience or to this particular narrowed targeting approach is there. Now let's do something and let's type like WS Tech over here, and let's see what kind of websites and YouTube channel it is suggesting as soon as we are putting WS Tech. So we have entered this WS Tech over here, and now let's come to this website. Right now we are not having any website over here. Now you will say that okay, WS Tech has an official website, and why it is not showing over here? Just because it is not AdSense approved. So it is not showing over here, right? So basically through Google Ads, we can only target websites which are AdSense approved or which are eligible to show the display advertisements, right? But our website, which is wscooptech.com, is not eligible. We can say that it is not monetized to show ads, right? So that is why it is not showing. But we have other channels also. We have our YouTube channel also, which is monetized, right? So we have option over here which say that okay, now you can target on this specific YouTube channel, right? You can show your ads on this specific YouTube channel. So this is placement based targeting. So if you want to target YouTube channels which are there for IIT preparations, right? So if you have an IIT coaching and you want to target different IIT related channels, right? So you can do that, right? You are just putting IIT over here, and you can see different channels are over here, and you can see different channels are here. So you can research on these channels. See, do not blindly click on any channel and show your ad over there. Just research properly on all these channels, and then select these channel, right? So you can do these things. You can target based on YouTube channels, as I told you. You can also target on individual YouTube videos. You can target on applications, individual applications. You can target on app category. Suppose if you are writing over here that education, right? So it's a broad targeting, a little broad targeting what we were seeing earlier. So if you are writing education over here, you can definitely target different websites which are there related to education, right? So as soon as we are coming over here and we have this category over here like education, so you can now target different apps which are working in the domain of education, or we do have the content which is there in the category of education, right? So this is how you are going to utilize this section where you are not basically targeting people, but you are targeting content, right? So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.